So this is my Vax, it's quite an old machine. The model number is a 6131t. It's actually started to make some really weird noises. It gets used daily on a mobile car valet, and the tone of the motor has changed to a really quite high-pitched sound. I'm going to turn it on now, so you might want to lower your volume a little bit and hopefully you hear it. So it's just really loud. I do have from another machine which I kept another motor which I believe to be good, so I'm going to be taking this one out and putting it in there. Okay, so there's a screw there, I'm just going to take them out. Oh, should be a screw there, I don't think there is. Oh, there is. Just can't get to it properly. It's got a bit of dirt in there or something. There we go. So that's that bit off. Handle off. Over there. Now there is you'll see this 10mm, I believe there. So turn that one out. I think the other 10mm is hidden behind this cable. There's two Phillips screws or crosshead screws. Little bracket, and then you'll see behind there that bit there, the other 10mm, which should loosen the lid part of it for the handle. Just fell off there. Right, okay. So that's that bit. I believe underneath here, fidget this. Right, I'm gonna just fidget this part off back in a second. Okay, so this switch here, it is held in by two lugs. Well, it's got two at the side, you have to push them in, the switch goes up, but because it's got these lugs across here, you'd have to somehow get all the wires off. So what I've done is, obviously, I can't recommend this to anyone, I've just trimmed the lugs either side, and it enabled me just to get the switch out. It still fits in as it should, which will now enable me to simply do this, because I'm trying to get to these 3 bolts there so I can get the bottom part of it off. So I'm just going to undo them, 310 mils. There's the last one. Right, what I'm going to do though, I'm going to put this in a little bit. Upside down, and this bit should come out. It's got the pump, see that? So it's just got the pump hose. So now this is what I want to get to, which is the motor itself. That's part of the motor. And pull this out, and there's a blue wire, black wire, so there we go. That's the old motor. I don't know. Spin. Yeah, I don't know, but I don't know. Sounds a bit, maybe it's the bearings. I don't know if you can hear that on camera. Sounds a bit different to this one. Okay, so I'm now going to do the reverse and get the motor in, and I'll show you the bit what I've done with the switch. Okay, so regarding the switch, let's get the rubber thing, put that on. So it just basically pushes in. And just clicks into place. This side. Push the lugs back in so I can pop the switch out a little bit. There we go. So that's sealed. They're done up tight. Let's put in this in. That's back in, switches back in, switches all back in. Right, let's put in the handle back on. So that bit down first, then that bit goes over it. Screw the lines out. Top. Need a cat meowing. Just trying to get out, I think. Right, so that's done. Put this filter back in. Right, I'll put it back together and then try and switch it on, see what happens. Back in a moment. Okay, so this might be a bit noisy. I'm going to switch it on. Does it sound any better? There we go, definitely sounds quieter than the last motor. So yeah, this is just changing the motor, swapping it out on the Vax model 6131t. Obviously I'm not an engineer, I've got a spare motor. Rather than sending it off and getting it done or taking it to somebody else to do it, it's fairly straightforward. So there we go, it's working. It sounds a bit quieter. Hopefully it will last a bit longer, because it probably wouldn't have lasted long on the last motor. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Please do consider subscribing to the channel. Take a look around at the other uploads, and I'll see you in the next one. Ta-da for now.